Making money fast with Bitcoin, day trading and investing strategies. Join me as I dive into the world of Bitcoin and challenge myself to make money fast with proven day trading and investing strategies. Making money with Bitcoin can be incredibly lucrative, and with the right strategies, you can potentially see quick returns on your investment. The cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility, but with the right approach, you can navigate the ups and downs and come out on top. In this video, we're going to explore some of the most effective day trading and investing strategies for making money fast with Bitcoin. I know what you might be thinking, isn't Bitcoin trading just a game for the pros? Don't you need to be some kind of expert to navigate the markets? The truth is, anyone can learn to trade Bitcoin, but there are some common fears and misconceptions that hold people back. One of the biggest misconceptions is that Bitcoin is just too volatile, that it's a roller coaster that's going to leave you broke. But the truth is, volatility can be an advantage if you know how to harness it. Another common fear is that you need to be a tech whiz to trade Bitcoin, that you need to have some kind of advanced degree in computer science to even understand the markets. But the reality is, anyone can learn to trade Bitcoin, regardless of their background or experience. All it takes is a willingness to learn and a solid strategy. And then there's the fear of losses, the fear that you're going to put all your money into Bitcoin and watch it evaporate overnight. But the truth is, losses are just a part of the game, and with the right risk management strategies, you can minimize your losses and maximize your gains. So, how can you actually make money with Bitcoin? One of the most popular strategies is day trading, buying and selling Bitcoin within a single trading day to capitalize on short-term price movements. Another strategy is swing trading, holding onto Bitcoin for a few days or weeks to ride out the trends. And then there's long-term investing, holding onto Bitcoin for months or even years to see significant gains. When it comes to market analysis, it's all about understanding the trends and patterns that drive the markets. This means staying up to date on news and events that could impact the price of Bitcoin, as well as using technical indicators to identify potential trading opportunities. And of course, risk management is key, setting stop losses and limits to minimize your losses and maximize your gains. I want to share a powerful trading tactic to make significant profits with Bitcoin. It's called the scalping strategy, and it involves making multiple small trades throughout the day to capitalize on tiny price movements. It's a high-risk, high-reward strategy, but when done correctly, it can be incredibly lucrative. This strategy can be used to make hundreds of dollars in a single day, and for some even more. Of course, it's not without its risks, but with the right mindset and approach, you can use scalping to make serious money with Bitcoin. Another way to make money with Bitcoin is by using a strategy called dollar cost averaging. This involves investing a fixed amount of money into Bitcoin at regular intervals, regardless of the price. This can help you smooth out the volatility and make consistent gains over time. So, what's the takeaway from all of this? The key to making money fast with Bitcoin is to stay informed, stay disciplined, and stay patient. Don't get caught up in the hype and don't let fear hold you back. If you've had any experiences with Bitcoin trading, I want to hear from you in the comments below. What strategies have worked for you, and what lessons have you learned along the way? And if you're new to Bitcoin trading, I encourage you to check out my other videos for more in-depth strategies and tips. Thanks for watching.